occasions at our home always calls for a mango trifle. It has something to do with childhood memories coming alive. But goddammit, I've made so many over the years that I have to think up new ways to interest the entire family. This dessert, a mango trifle, has a kiss of coconut milk and some great raspberries coming together in perfect harmony. Don't forget to subscribe and hit on the bell icon as we get to creating it. My cast iron saucepan has nearly 800 mils of coconut milk, and into that goes in about 8 tablespoons of sugar just to sweeten it up, but also we're going to eyeball in some vanilla extract. So nearly 8 to 10 mils of that going in, and we're just going to let it all whisk up really well together. Creating this coconut milk custard requires minimum effort, so while the sugar and the vanilla emulsify with the coconut milk, out here I've got 2 heaped tablespoons of some corn flour, and into that I add nearly 100 mils of coconut milk as well, just to emulsify and create that perfect slurry. Whisk away for about a minute till everything emulsifies. As this gets nice and hot, in goes that 100 mils of coconut milk and corn flour slurry to thicken the entire thing up. Just whisk away so you get one of the smoothest and creamiest of coconut milk custards. Perfectly thickened to the right consistency, it's time to just switch the flame off and allow this to cool down. The only tedious part a trifle has is creating that custard, and after that it's just about layering away and creating a confusion of sorts. Some store-bought sponge crumbs, nearly 500 grams of that. I just took a sponge cake which I picked up from my baker and I crumbed it, and I'm just going to smash it all down till it forms that perfect base. Lace this with some light sugar syrup, or if you want to get experimentative, add a dash of vodka into this mix, just to spike up a regular trifle. 8 Alfonso mangoes sliced up beautifully. I'm just going to overload it because we want our trifle to be overloaded with mango. Now you can use fresh raspberries, or like me, the last jar of my raspberry jams that I created during Christmas gets a nice slathering on top. Raspberries and mangoes really work perfectly well together. And finally, a nice ladle or 2 of this gorgeous coconut custard sprinkled on top. Follow the same principle, so on top goes sponge, and we just layer away. Just garnish this with sliced mangoes on top in one corner, and a decadent coconut, mango and raspberry trifle is ready. Now while this creation is a beautiful mango and tropical paradise creation with the coconut milk literally resembling clouds and the mangoes floating right in, a twist to an authentic trifle, but nonetheless a trifle in the making. Don't forget to share loads of love by hitting on the like button. Stay safe, stay blessed, and don't forget to leave a note below. More importantly, enjoy this nice and chilled